Welcome. In front of me is a CMF Phone 2 Pro, and today I will show you how we can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold power button and volume up, and then select power off from the options. When the device turns off, again hold these same two buttons again, power and volume up. And this should boot us into bootloader first, at which point you can let go of both of the buttons. If you don't see this mode right away, like right now, keep on holding. There we go. So when it's visible, you can then let go. Now, in this mode, you will need to use volume up only to navigate through the options. You can see this arrow that points out to each option. And you want to make sure that it is selected on the very top with the recovery mode. When it is, press volume down. You'll see this icon. When you do, hold power button, and while holding it, press volume up once, and this then redirects us to the recovery mode. And here you can use both volume buttons, either up or down, to navigate up or down. And power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Going over the options, we have things like reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, reboot to bootloader, which will take us back to the previous page, enter fast boot mode, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run test, and simply power off the device. Now I'm going to stick with the first option and confirm it with the power button just so I can get back to Android, as there's nothing more to show in this mode. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.